See the two prongs here poking out, and there's two circles here. And the trick is you push this over like that. And I don't have a really good way of doing it. I just feel it. Here it snap on, and I know because it's like that. Make sure it's not upside down. Update on the hoops. We started with these hard plastic ones, and I think they did some damage to the drone's propeller. So now we have a much softer foam material that is safer for our drones, but hangs and works just as well. So here's our list of challenges for our drones. And then each team has 2 helipads. The hoops are Hot Wheels tracks, and they're just held up by fishing line. I wish I'd used a thicker string so that we could see it better so that the drones stay away from it. But our rule is just to stay below the top of the hoops. Go too high, they get tangled. So good job. We have a rule. If it crashes, no one touches the drone until the iPad is flipped face down. Then we're back. Good job, team 2. iPad is face down while they are getting the drone back. I'm gonna wait until we fix that before we turn the iPad. Good job, guys. Okay, can you land it? Can you stick the landing? Beautiful. Perfect landing.
It's not touching the yellow. It's not touching the yellow.
Nice.